It's not that bad. So real quick, it's like close to 3 in the morning now. Me and Austin kind of had an argument, not like a fight, but we both, I guess, tend to get too irrational when it comes to me wanting one thing and him wanting to do another. Believe it or not, this whole thing started because of chicken. I mean, he wouldn't even take like 2 pieces of chicken home because I got it from the church, because the church, had to get rid of the food because no one will eat it. We only meet on Sundays and Wednesdays, and we might not even meet this coming Sunday because of Hurricane Matthew. I mean, Michael. And so, like, I wasn't going to force him to take it, but I don't get why he couldn't just take 1 or 2. I wanted him to take 3, but he wouldn't even take any of it. And he was like, I have no room in the fridge for it. But then he wanted macaroni and cheese. And I was like, I thought you didn't have any room. And he was like, I don't, but I'll, like, make room for this. I was going to heat up and eat it when I got home. And, he ate it here, and he took his time, and he wouldn't take any home. Like, none. But, so anyway, then, I came along the lines of, I don't want to force you to do something you don't want to do, just like I don't want to move into a house and move into a room with just the both of us, because I'm emotionally and personally not ready for that, just because, that's who I am. And he said that he didn't want to do that because, he didn't want to be a guest in my house, and he didn't want me to be a guest in his. I mean, if he wants to put it like that, then fine. I'll let him pay all the fucking bills. I mean, damn, like. And, Kroger dropped me down to 28 hours, so I'm mad at the whole world right now. Like, I'm at the point of, like, where I feel like I don't even care if this tornado comes and hits me and kills me. Like, just, I'm tired of living here. I don't want to live here anymore. Just because, and then we went along the lines of he wants to get an apartment, but we can't get an apartment because of the cats. And he said, well, there's going to come a time where you're going to have to choose between, like, them and what you want to do. And basically, again, I said about the house situation. And I said, well, you can't force me to, just like you can't force me to move in with you in the same room if I'm not comfortable with doing that. I mean, like, and I think that's it. Yeah, I'm starting to think that maybe we shouldn't even bother getting back together, because this is where we were at square one, like, and he wants to get married, but if we can barely afford a house, then how the hell are we gonna afford all my medical bills? And he was like, I hate seeing you like this, because I was all depressed and all, and I'm just like, do you even care? Like, does anyone care? I'm at the point of where I'm giving up on the YouTube channel, and, I was really optimistic when I first started, and now I'm not. I feel like no one watches people unless they feel bad for them, some shit like that. But, like, he made me feel like I had no choice. Like, I didn't want to make him do what he didn't want to do. But I didn't want to waste the chicken either, so I went ahead and pilled it. Anyway, I'm gonna for real head to bed this time. It's 3:02, and I really need to head to bed. And just just don't feel like anyone cares. I know there was something I was supposed to say, but I couldn't figure it out. Mostly I was just ticked off. Like, you know, just, like, he has moments where he's really sweet. And then there's other moments where he just makes me want to just go stir crazy. And so I guess we're not moving out then. I mean, he just doesn't understand. He hasn't been in the situation I've been in between what's been going on, and I'm not going to get into that. And I do apologize if I'm not talking loud. I don't feel like talking loud. And I don't feel like looking at the camera. I don't feel like doing anything. But yeah. So I'm gonna go. Hey guys, it's like 6:30 in the morning, and 6:24, but close enough. And you can really hear it coming down outside. I am gonna try to get a little film of it, but it might not pick up because of how dark it is outside. But I'm gonna go see if the boys want to come in, because they went out this morning technically. So I'm tired. I might go back to bed. My phone's charging right now in case the power goes out, but Kelly says that they're calling it a tropical storm, but they were calling it a hurricane this morning. So I don't know. Hopefully everything goes okay. We had a tornado watch till 7 a.m., so about 30 more minutes. I'm just hoping that we don't get one, because I'm terrified of tornadoes. In case you don't know, I have nightmares about tornadoes all the time. It's not fun. They're not fun at all. So I'm gonna go outside now and see if I can get the boys in. And I might just let you just hear the rainfall. Can you guys see this? He's soaked. Okay, so I don't know if the thing caught it, but it's raining. So, but yeah, I'm trying not to be scared, because it's pointless being scared, because there's nothing we can do. Hitting the door is open. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna have to open the door for him, even though it's already open. Come on. Okay, well, I'm not seeing Panther. Guess we'll just have to hunker down wherever he is. Oh, Panther, come on. Okay, well, Panther's not coming. I'm not staying out here just because I'm thinking about heading inside. People have come by now if he was coming. Yeah, I did get Kitten in. Nope. Okay, I'm heading inside. I just had to blog this real quick for I went to work. So I just found this little guy. I saw some fluff on the floor the other day. Now I know why. Poor little guy. I'll let the kitten keep it, but wow. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but he's snoring. He's too adorable. My arms are getting tired. I really hope you guys can hear that. Hi guys, it's 9:57. I haven't updated. I've been pretty busy all day. We survived Hurricane Matthew. He did turn into a tropical storm though. But he did hit Florida, Panama City pretty bad. Georgia. In case you don't know, 2 people are confirmed dead. 11-year-old girl and some other older guy. I'm editing videos now. I screwed up the last 2 videos that I did and ended up having to delete them, re-merge them, and edit, and so I'm redoing the 8th now, and it's now almost 10:12. So I don't know how long I'm gonna be backed up for, and I'm just kind of frustrated because yeah. But anyway, so I got off work at like 5:30, and then went to clean the church, came home, and Jim had me taste some tea to make sure if it was still good or not. It must have been bad because it made me throw up. It wasn't that big of puke, but it made my stomach hurt and everything. Feeling so much better now though. So yeah, I'm watching America's Got Talent with Austin. He might fall asleep again.
I don't even like. I don't even like that show, but
I do. We're pretty much burning time until we can go to the store and get Lunchables and some Black Forest candy at 12. But, you know, we don't have to necessarily be there at 12. But considering the way couponers are, I'm probably wanting to leave here at like 11:50. And Lilith is attempting to lay on him right now. Oh my gosh. I didn't realize the thing was backed in. You guys might not have even seen me, but I don't feel like redoing it. But yeah, you got the whole gist of it. Yeah. Okay, so the first video finally finished, so now I'm going to post it on YouTube and then work on the next one. Wait for the 8th to get done uploading, and then I'm gonna go ahead and edit right now. So, and I will catch up with you guys later. Hope you enjoyed that little clip of Smudge snoring. He is so freaking adorable. So, yeah. So, he's being pretty loud. I can hear him over my YouTube. Oh, you know what I didn't do? I didn't upload the video, which I'm doing right now. Okay, so that better be right. Enjoy my fluffy butt while you can. I think the cats like him more than me. Little one! First, I was trying to get the little one to like Austin, but right now it's just Lilith on him. But yeah. It's 10:13. The video is uploading. I've been needing to go through my Facebook notifications, but I posted on my saddest, if you had to bring me 3 things to cheer me up, what would they be? And my old Girl Scout leader, Vicky, said a kitten, cat, you know, in parentheses, Snickers, and a smile. And I just want to show you guys this video. I saw this today, and it made my day. Like, I don't know if you guys have seen it, but it's worth a try. So first off, I don't know if you guys have seen it, but, ugh. I still laugh every time. Oh yeah, and then there's that. That was pretty funny too. Oh look, here comes little one. Isn't he adorable?
Hi.
Austin's just, I guess, being a pillow. Or a bed, is that what you're feeling like right now?
Bed, pillow, coffee table, apparently.
A coffee table. And Smudge is starting to snore again. So, there was something I wanted to say earlier, but I can't remember. While I was at work. I don't know. But man, it was such a slow day. Ugh. The video is at 19%, 43 minutes remaining. Yay. Well then. So now I need to start on the next blog, which I'm not sure which date that is, so I gotta go check. Okay, actually, yeah, I'm gonna go deal with that, so that when that gets done I can publish the next one. Oh, I think Llewellyn's trying to go to bed.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Could we have a little chat before you start playing? What? Could we have a little chat before you start playing? Can I just get your name?
Well, being rude isn't gonna get them to like you, that's for sure.
Yeah. Sorry, what's your name? Yeah. No, it's enjoyable. We'll come to that. What's your name? What's your name?
Wait, that's just... Being rude is not gonna get them to like you. He just completely wasted his time. Is that pretty much the rest of it is? Yep.
A really good night. We had Bible study here, and the part of the Bible that we were reading.
Nope, yep, Smudge is snoring again.
Where's my phone? I took a screenshot of it because I really wanted to remember this. It was perfectly timed with just I don't know,
Yeah, they're all adorable, aren't they?
watching
Panther and Kitten are outside somewhere. But yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later. And they said that the hurricane moved right through us, and it's still stuck in Georgia. Look at it. Look, that's the radar. By the way, I know I said I was going to talk to you later, and later is like 10:20, so like 5 minutes later. Story of my life, 5 minutes later. The other one is being so adorable. He went and sat on the...
Oh, 548 UTC. That is...
No! Let's try refreshing the page.
Wait, 0548 UTC, that's 10, that was 11, it was damn near 11 o'clock this morning.
Then why isn't it changed? Okay, I'm gonna refresh the page.
10:11.
Oh my gosh, like, it's not... Okay, sorry. Okay, well, now we got... Okay, so this is what it popped up to be. So, for some reason it didn't refresh the page. That was apparently this morning. But that's what we basically have right now. Which, I guess that means a lot of rain. I mean, that's good that the hurricane... So what, the hurricane dissipated then? Tropical storm?
Well, then dissipate. I think it's somewhere around North Carolina or Virginia right now.
I guess we're all like, we don't care, look, it's not here.
Well, actually, there was a lot of tree damage.
I know that part. I mean, I do kind of care where it is because I have a friend in North Carolina. So, I hope she's okay. But they didn't get hit bad this time, did they?
Not as...
It seems like Florida and Georgia did. I mean, see, they tell you to take shelter, you know, and like your house is the safest place, but yet when a tree falls in the house and kills people, like this is the second time that this has happened in 2 hurricanes this year. It just, first it was a mom and an infant, and then now it's a little kid and an old man. Like, that's just sad.
You think they're getting the short end of the stick? Try Puerto Rico.
Yeah, they got handed bad. I'm just saying though. You know, I'm actually getting pretty hungry. After we go to the store and get the Lunchables, I'm probably gonna come home and go to bed. But we'll see. Because I'm not taking my melatonin until after we go. So, because I don't want to walk in and them thinking I'm drunk. So, I'm just saying, you've seen me when I get drowsy. Isn't that true?
Yeah, and yeah, and while you're of age, it's kind of not good for work reputation. Is it?
No. Nope, I know.
Damn,
What?
she's cute. Oh, sorry.
Oh.
Sorry, Bond girl.
Oh.
From 1966.
Austin just looked at a hot girl online. Now I need to see. Let me
No,
see what
no,
girl.
No, it's an old photo of an old Bond girl.
She's pretty hot. Just saying. But I guess I'm hotter. I don't know. I don't really feel hot. So.
Oh, don't say that, Ariel.
Meow meow.
You've always been. You are very beautiful. You are.
Anyway.
And I know you don't feel this way, but you are.
Let's get on a different page. Anyway, so I want to watch Friends again. But I don't know. So I will catch up with you guys later. The video is about 33 minutes from being uploaded, and so now I'm working on the next video. Editing and all that jazz, so. Oh, look, I completed it. Sorry, I'm playing Disney Emoji Blitz. Ah, man, I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Well, nothing else to see here. See you guys soon.
This decal
They're causing trouble.
and the small Laugh Every Day decal.
Little one
have
just
those available in white.
just tried something with tie. I don't know, but that's what I was looking for. They're just so cute. They're just so cute. Like, who doesn't love cats? Like, I mean, I get they scratch and they're a pain in the butt, but they are so, like, some days it's just so worth it. Oh, they're adorable. Oh, Smudge must have left. When did he leave? Oh, there he is. I can't believe I got that on film. Okay, wow. And here I was looking around for Smudge, and he's right there the whole time. They're just so cute. Ty! Hey! I think the fun moment's over. Little one is trying to pass out asleep. Smudge is behind them. Finally, it's like 10:35. I mean, I'm practically bored, so, like, yeah. Oh, they're so cute. You know, sometimes I'm, like, dead shit afraid of Ty, like, especially that face right there. What? You got something to say? You got something to say? That's what I thought. Sit your ass down. Oh, is Smudge really gonna start snoring again? This is my life right here, guys. So I'm showing you my life.
So when you click on those decals, you choose the option of black or white. And it is up there. There's a picture of it. Click on that attachment. Okay, so
Look at that cutie pie. Is there a way you could get a picture of him for me and send it to me? Since you're closer? Okay, so we figured out why the radar was stuck at like earlier this morning. We just found out that Michael took out the National Weather Service radar, right?
Yeah, the Columbia radar at the National Weather Service, which I believe is at the airport.
Yeah, so I wasn't dumb. Michael took out the radar. I mean, I do have my dumb moments, we all do, but yeah. The second video is uploading. I'm not redoing this video.
But we're back up and running at around noon Thursday.
I don't even think I should bother. Like, I think I'm gonna do a separate video.
Yeah.
Okay, so I finished editing October 9th, and it takes a while for it to, it took about an hour for it to, export. And so it's uploading now, because I had it upload when I came home just now, about 10 minutes ago, and it says it's got 15 minutes remaining. I'm going to go ahead and edit one now before going to take a shower, and then I'll upload that one, so I'll be maybe one day behind. Yeah, because it is now 10/12/2018. So, I'm going to go ahead and end this video for 10/11, and when I wake up, or before then, that will be on 10/12. So I hope you guys have liked this video. Please hit the like button, and if you haven't already subscribed, then please do, so you can get all my notifications. My Twitter and Instagram is in the links down below. So thank you for watching, guys, and please be careful.